Hello, everyone. This is Jason and Arian again, showing our boxes that we got for short par four. And I'm going to let my lovely wife go first.
Okay. Oops. Okay. First thing I got was like a shoebox from Puma. These are nice. Hopefully they fit. Look like this in pink.
Those look comfortable.
That's the first thing. Oops. Then I got these golf balls. TP5X. Blue long sleeve from Level Wear. Or is it Harper? Maybe the name of the shirt's Harper and the people are Level Wear. Blue. And the last thing I got is like a zip-up jacket. Also in blue. And this is from Under Armour. That's the last thing I got. And this is from the Magnolia box.
I'm going to open mine. I actually already opened it, so I already know what I got, but just wanted to show you all. Got this hat, the penguin hat. Looks pretty cool. Then I got a sweatshirt from Callaway. Looks nice and warm and toasty. I also got a pack of underwear. I'm not going to lie, these are pretty cool. It's got the skulls on it.
For Halloween.
For Halloween. And then I got the another polo shirt. So looks nice and comfortable as well.
Extracurricular.
Yeah. So that's what we got this month. It's October 2022. Sorry we didn't do any ones from the following month, but we hope to see you guys next month. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and like our videos. And yeah, thanks again, and everybody have a wonderful day.